What is going on, guys? We're back again with another video. Real quick video today. We're changing the headlight bulbs out on the projector headlights on the Ram today. I got some white lights, better headlight bulbs over here, and we are going to be installing these today. I got these off Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. This is going to be a little bit more involved than the Forerunner was. We're actually going to have to take this front grille off to be able to get the headlights out. So watch and I will show you how to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is actually going to take these clips out here. That's got a flathead screwdriver, and this should pull up. Alright, so it looks like I got 10mm bolts, 4 on the top of the grill, and this whole grill will actually pull out from the front. So let's go ahead. So it looks like there's one 10mm bolt here, and there's one here, and then there should be a latch on the inside of the wheel well. We'll get to that in just a second. So there's actually a flap right here inside the wheel well, and we take this tab out, and you should be able to get to this. There's a little latch in there. You press it up, and you should be able to take this whole head out now. So maybe an 8. They are. It's an 8mm, and we take all this off. There is the low beam, and that's what I want. Go ahead and unplug this. It's unplugged. Let's turn this counterclockwise and pull out this bulb. So the ones I got, let's see here. Pull that out that way. So we're going to put this back in the same way. Okay. We're going to plug this back in. And we're going to plug this in here. Literally just gonna put this box in here. Hold on. Let's make sure I did this right. Make sure the wires are going to the correct ones. Positive, negative. I'm guessing my blue is my positive. It's got a positive, negative on here. So blue, black is negative. Let's plug that in. Like I said, we'll put this back in here where you can't see it, and then we'll put the cover back on. we got one down. Let's get the other one working. You can totally see the difference. And that one right there, and then this one over here. So hopefully these are way brighter. Let's take this other one apart and put the other bulb in it. Plug the low beam again. Twist it counterclockwise. Pull that bulb out. We'll go ahead and put this other one in. Okay. Let's see here. It goes in like this. And then look for your positive and negative on the cable. Positive is blue. Make sure we do that. I'm tucking all the stuff back inside here. And then cover should fit right back over the top. We'll put the bolts in, and then we'll put it back on the truck. There's what it looks like with the LEDs in there. It looks so much better. Let me turn my light bar on too while we got it on. Look at that. That is sick. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put the grill back on, put the bolts in it, and we will be done with this project. Y'all can see this. I got all my LEDs in, my light bars in, and the other LED for each side. It turned out really well. I got these bulbs off of Amazon. If you have any questions, leave them. Thank you all for watching this video, and take care and have a good day.